one of the most prominent and wealthiest people in not just the southeastern part or the Igbo land of Nigeria, but in Nigeria as a whole, is Arthur Eze, with a net worth of over 5.8 billion US dollars. No other Nigerian comes close to this, although this net worth has not been verified from any verifiable source, but reports claim that his net worth stands at over 5.8 billion US dollars. And I bet you might actually want to know how exactly did he get all this money. This is why in today's video I'm going to be doing a series teaching you guys exactly how he actually did it, so you can better understand for yourselves. So if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you click the red subscribe button. So Arthur Eze actually, after graduating from a secondary school in Nigeria, went on to the California State School to actually start his career as a mechanical engineer. After graduating from there, he worked various other places. Now, this is to show that his wealth didn't come overnight, but was built by resilience and actually through hard work. Unlike a lot of people who don't have verifiable income sources, Arthur Eze is someone who is actually known for his ventures in various sectors in Nigeria, making him the eighth wealthiest person in Africa and among the top four wealthiest people in Nigeria alone, because the southeastern part of Nigeria, although has only 5 states, but has the highest amount of billionaires in Nigeria, with Anambra State topping that list. Arthur Eze has also been known for his various philanthropic ventures, such as donating $12 million to the Anglican Church and also $800,000 to commission a school in Nigeria, and a whole lot of other things. After Arthur Eze graduated from the university in 1991, he founded Atlas Oranto Petroleum Oil Limited, which is an oil exploration company. Now, this company does not only have its roots in the Nigerian oil sector, but also in various other countries such as Uganda and a whole lot of them. Now, he doesn't only have the highest amount of oil mining blocks in Nigeria alone, but in the entire Africa. And this can be seen in his net worth with over 200,000 blocks. So Atlas Oranto has been what has been fueling his net worth growth over a period of time for now. Arthur Eze has also been known for various other things, such as running his airline company, which started commissioning flights from Enugu out to other parts of the world. Arthur Eze has also gotten a whole lot of private jets, which is a Falcon jet, and he also rumored to own a Bombardier jet worth over 25 million US dollars and a whole lot of other things. So if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you click the red subscribe button and drop a like to this video so you don't miss my future videos. Now let me know, who next would you like me to make a video on, telling you exactly how he actually got to where he got to, so you guys can actually learn for yourselves. Arthur Eze has also won numerous contracts from the Nigerian government. He has won a whole lot of contracts from the Nigerian government, such as the contract to construct the Anambra Broadcasting Services Radio during the reign of Jim Nwogdo, who was the former governor of the old Anambra State, which was a combination of Enugu State and the current Anambra State. This is to show that Arthur Eze's net worth and his income has been fueled by a whole lot of things. He is known politically as the godfather of politics in the Southeast, which is because of his donation of over $100 million to the PDP during a particular period of election. This has made him a notable stakeholder in that sector, which is why he is referred to as Ozo Igbondo, which means the savior of the Igbo land. If you're actually enjoying this video, don't forget to drop a like and also to subscribe to this channel most importantly, and I'll see you in my next video.